Hi, I'm Chef Jeff White. Today we want to show you how to do a weekly cleaning. First, what we want to do is we'll need to remove the face so that we can access the drawer. When accessing the drawer, there's 4 screws, 2 on each side of the drawer, that will need to be loosened. Once these are loosened, the drawer face can be removed. And you simply slide the drawer face out and remove. This and the face can be put through the dishwasher if you'd like, or you can treat it with a grease release and just wash it by hand. Next, we'll open the front face of the unit. Inside the unit here, we'll remove the drawer. To remove the drawer, we pull the drawer towards us until it totally extracts, and then we remove the hinge. This drawer can now be put through the dishwasher and replaced to the unit once it's clean. Once these items are clean, then we'll go to our grease filter. Now the filter can be removed and replaced once every 2 months, but in between, during the weeks that you're cleaning the unit, you'll just simply remove it, set it to the side, and then remove your grease tray with your baffle filter, and you'll take this to the dishwasher as well and run it through the dishwasher to clean it. Once it's clean, you'll come back, wipe out the top of the unit with soap and hot water, and then we'll replace this tray back to the unit. Once replaced, we'll put our filter back in, clamp it down, and then we will replace our drawer. Once the drawer is clean, we'll replace it to the door. We'll set the hinge. Once the hinge is set, we'll put the drawer into the door, aligning the back cover. Now what we'll do is we will replace the face with our glide. We have to align the glide into this groove along with the glide of the drawer itself. So once we have it aligned, we can slide it into place. And now we'll go ahead and tighten down our screws. Once we have all 4 screws tight and in place, we can then replace the face of the unit. And now we'll just replace the face of the unit. And now the unit's ready to